So, hello Ayush, I am Kriti Mehta, team member of FindMyTest.com. We are glad that you joined us today. I would like to congratulate you for securing All India Rank 10 in GATE 2021 Petroleum Engineering paper. Would you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Thank you, Kriti. Thank you for thank you for your wishes. I am Ayush Sharma, and I'm currently pursuing my BTech in Applied Petroleum Engineering with specialization in upstream. I'm currently in my fourth year, and I'm doing my BTech from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, Dehradun. This was my first attempt in petroleum engineering paper in GATE 2021, and I scored an All India rank 10th in this paper.
Okay. So, what is your views on petroleum engineering?
Petroleum engineering is a branch which is often misunderstood by a lot of industrialists and students nowadays. As you already know that the theme energy transition is very much spreading in this world. We are all recommended that we should opt for the renewables rather than the non-renewables. But what we don't understand is that the non-renewables are have been a very important aspect of our lives from centuries, and it's not that easy to make the transition so swiftly and so rapidly in the coming years. Renewables are something which would be a major influencer and a major driver in driving this change. And I believe that petroleum engineers are the someone who will drive this change no matter what.
Okay, Ayush, so you already told us that this was your first attempt. So, I want to ask you what was your GATE score and marks in GATE 2021?
I the gate My gate score was 859
Hmm.
out of 1000, and my paper score was 84.67 out of 100 this year.
Okay, so that's good. So when did you decide that you want to attempt GATE exam as a serious career option? And when did you start preparing for the examination?
In my college, when Exxon visited the campus, I was not recruited. I was not recruited in that recruitment drive. And after that, I decided that I would consider GATE as a serious option if I wanted to make my career in the core engineering branch, which I have pursued from the 4 years. So yeah, that was the time in August 2020 when I decided that I would be going for GATE as a serious core option. Every one of my friends were having their recruitments, and it was quite tough to maintain my focus on this aspect of my life. But somehow my teachers helped me to keep me motivated and to strive and believe in my abilities. And here this is the sole result of their best wishes and their support.
Yes, Ayush, the best thing is that you believed in yourself. That is very necessary. So Ayush, there are many other career options like
Yeah.
CAT, public sector jobs, and government job, of course. So why did you choose CAT over all those?
Can you repeat the question, please?
Yeah, sure. So there are many other jobs. Like you could have taken CAT or you could have given exam for government jobs. So why did you choose GATE over all those other career options?
All right. So petroleum engineering is not a very widespread branch, and when it comes to government job, only ONGC is one of the main PSUs which offers job in this core sector. And currently ONGC is recruiting through GATE score only. So yeah, it was my dream to work for a company like ONGC and contribute to the energy sustainable aspect of the country, and that's why I chose I chose GATE as my career option. And CAT is very much about the management, and it's not much about the technical aspect. And having spent 4 years of mine in the technical aspect of petroleum engineering, GATE was much more suitable to me than CAT.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so Ayush, what was the difficulty level of GATE 2021 Petroleum Engineering examination?
Petroleum engineering paper was quite easy this year. 70 to 75% numericals were from the reservoir engineering section, and the theoretical part was also easy. And the degree of difficulty was also, or I should say, the degree of easiness was also reflected in the results. The topper was around 90.67 marks, and up to from I think that up to 80 marks, the rank is got around 50 to 55. So I think that the paper was quite easy, and when it was not about how many questions you were attempting correctly, it was more about how many questions you were attempting in a wrong manner. So it was quite high scoring, and it gave us the opportunities to test our basics, right?
Okay, Ayush. So did you take up any coaching and how did it help you in securing All India Rank 10 in GATE 2021?
Yeah, I took coaching from Petrogate Academy, which is based in Dehradun, Uttarakhand, and the teachers there were quite supporting and motivating too. They also there were quite a few times when it seemed difficult to me because there were many sections of the paper which I was not yet taught about in my college. So they gave us the right coaching materials, and they gave us quality video lectures so that I could understand those topics in a concise and a clear way. So yeah, apart from this, the last time tricks and motivations also helped me in the last month, especially in January when everyone was escalating up the ladder and giving their best. The teachers, the motivation that those teachers gave me was quite including and special.
That's good. So which book or study material did you refer for the preparation of GATE 2021 examination? And would you like to suggest few books which will help other aspirants?
So my preparation strategy was very simple. For reservoir engineering, I referred LP Deck and Tariq Ahmed. For production one, I referred LNP Roberts. For surface production, I referred Arnold. And for the stimulation part, I referred Guo. Uh, Coming to well testing, I referred John Lee, and for well logging, I referred Paul Glover. For drilling, I referred Hussein Rabia, edition 1 and 2. And apart from these subjects, these were the main core subjects from which 80 to 85% paper comes. And apart from this, the sections such as HSC and latest trends of petroleum engineering and petroleum exploration, mathematics, these were the subjects I referred from the coaching material only, and I did not refer to any book for these subjects.
Okay. So, in every examination, aspirants say that these are some important topics that must be studied. So, what do you think are the most important topics that should be focused while preparing for the GATE examination?
The most important topics are the core ones, which must be focused for petroleum engineering examination. The weightage changes from year to year, but the most important topics are reservoir engineering, production, well testing, and drilling. If one gets a good hang of these subjects, there is a very good chance to score well and to score a good rank in this examination.
Okay, that's good. So, what was your preparation as well as your revision strategy? Because while like you are going to give a competitive examination strategy is very important. So, which strategies did you
Yeah,
pick up?
yeah. So I basically started my preparation from August, and calculating from August, I had basically 6 months left for the examination. So in the initial days, I stick to the syllabus, and I spent around 1 to 2 weeks studying the syllabus and making my strategies. So in the first month, I basically studied those subjects of which I did not had a good hang of, such as production and well testing. And once I had those subjects covered, I quickly covered the subjects such as drilling, reservoir engineering, logging, and petroleum exploration, of which I had a good hang of through my college classes. And I did these core subjects in the remaining 3 months. And after December, in January, I basically shifted my focus to the online test series and the revision, because those are the most important aspect of preparation, which helps you understand your weaknesses and strengths. And through that, I understood what my weaknesses were, and I'm glad to share that I succeeded in eliminating most of my weaknesses and strengthening my strengths through those online test series and revision.
Okay, Ayush, as we all know, while giving an examination that is competitive, so time management strategy is very important. So, what was your time
Yeah,
management strategy for attending question in examination?
yeah. I think every individual is different, and the approach to attempt the gate papers is also very individualistic, depending on one's weaknesses and strengths. However, personally, if I were to share my strategy, I was quite confident in aptitude, because aptitude is the most easy part of gate engineering paper. So aptitude is something which I completed in 20 minutes, and it really boosted up my confidence, because once you start getting the questions right, even the difficult ones also seems easier to you once your confidence builds up. So once I was through my aptitude part, I covered my technical part as well. And because I had a good practice in my online test series, I basically finished the paper in 1 hour and 45 minutes. And I basically revised my paper in the remaining 1 hour 15 minutes, because the paper is of 3 hours duration. In the remaining 1 hour 15 minutes, I had committed some mistakes, but when I revised the paper, I eliminated those mistakes, and that was something which really helped me in boosting my rank up.
Okay, so how did the COVID, like this current pandemic situation, affected your studies and routine?
It was quite hard to maintain my sanity in this lockdown, if I if I am to be honest, because I eliminated the social media from my life for about 5 to 6 months, not because of the time that it takes up, but more because of the negativity that it gives. There is a lot of negative stuffs going around in the social media, rather than the positive stuff, and it really affects your attitude and your focus as well. So yeah, my teachers, my family, my friends, these are my real diamonds who motivated me in this lockdown and pandemic. You must also be aware of the petroleum aspect, the crude oil aspect. It really went down in this pandemic, and
Yeah.
all the industrialists are really boosting up the concepts of renewables. So it was also very disheartening to see that the jobs in the petroleum core sector are really going down, and there are not much opportunities for the graduates like us who have no experience in the field operations. So there was much negativity, but the positivity which came from my teachers, my friends, and my family was enough to override that negativity and to maintain the focus in the right direction.
Yeah, hope, belief, motivation is the most important aspects. I know that. So,
Yeah,
how was this
yeah.
year's okay? How was this year's gate pattern different from previous years?
I think the reservoir engineering, covered most of the portion and the percentage of the paper. Reservoir engineering did not cover that much percentage of portion of the paper in previous year question papers. Also, I found that there were no new areas which were explored in the numerical part. Everything that came in the paper was already being studied in the coaching and universities itself, and there was no new concept that came into the paper, which was quite a trend in previous year question papers. Apart from this, the pattern was very much the same in terms of theoretical portion.
Okay, Ayush. So, would you like to throw some lights on GATE 2022 petroleum engineering aspirants?
I would just say a few things. The first step is believe in yourself. The second step is find a motivation. Mind motivation. I personally did not, I would not say that I had a motivation. I would rather say that I had the fear of failure, which kept me going because I had no options left for recruitment. And the third thing that I would say is eliminate social media from your life, only for the duration of your preparation. I say this not because of time. I only say this because of the negativity that it throws on your life, and it really affects your attitude and focus. So give it all and all the best.
Okay. So congratulations once again, Ayush, for securing All India Rank 10 in GATE 2021 Petroleum Engineering Examination. Thank you for giving us your valuable
Thanks, Ritu.
time, and Find My Test team wishes you all the best for your bright future. And
Thanks,
please,
Ritu.
this
Thanks.
belief which you have, I literally loved it. Like during all the, whole time of this interview, you were always saying that I believed in myself. The motivation you have, that is like very good. You have to keep it. Like it's very nice. And it gives positive vibes to the person who is
Thanks,
talking to
Ritu,
you.
thanks, Ritu, for the wishes, and thank you for reciprocating in such a positive manner. And I'm really glad that I was given this chance to give this interview. Thanks a lot.